Hey folks, see Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to a Thursday live. No, no, not a Thursday live stream. This is a Tuesday live stream. It's crazy. I mean, the way markets have gone haywire in the last 1 or 2 hours. I mean, since yesterday itself, it has been showing cracks. It has gone down, but last roughly 1 hour has been super crazy. What I would want to do is quickly share some important levels right now. Are some key levels broken? Unfortunately, answer is yes. Okay, so I would quickly share my screen and I would want you all to note down some key pointers. Okay, first things first. Let us understand where. Oh God, Nifty. I mean, I just want to go to the 15 minutes candle. I was actually just discussing the overall market with my brother. We were on a phone call, and at that time, Nifty was at this candle. And I said, what level of 25,300? This is the previous swing low. 25,300 looks very important. And let's see if that is being sustained or not. And look at the fall. I mean, the moment this was broken, we had a big candle of almost 100 points down in 15 minutes, followed by another 30 points again in last few minutes. So more than 150 points fall just like that within no time. Big question, where is the next support for Nifty? Because if you have been following my Thursday live streams, I've already mentioned that this was one of the key supports, which was the previous swing low on 7th of November. Today this has been broken and broken decisively. Market is it's like a big Marubozu candle, which is like open is equal to high, and there is a great possibility that low is equal to close will be the candle, which shows pretty much bearishness. In that case, which would be the next key level to watch out for? And that has to be the 200 dema. Oh my God, we are extremely close to 200 dema. 25,100 is 25,169 whatever, so 25,100 will be an extremely important level to watch out for. And of course, then the sentimental level of 25,000. Hopefully we will be able to sustain that, but I mean, the way it has cracked today, 150 dema gone, and it is going closer to 200 dema right now. If this is broken, then next swing low, big support, next key swing low is right here, and which is at 24,600 level roughly. So that will open up another 400 500 points fall from here, which is not so good right now. This is the point for Nifty. Have a look at mid caps also. If you remember, again, for those who have been following my Thursday live streams, you already know about this. We had seen a very nice kind of an inverted head and shoulder pattern. We did see a breakout, but this neckline, I'm just going to delete this neckline stands cut today. It's a weekly candle, but even if I were to go back to the daily candle, and if I were to show you, I know it'll be a longer channel, but look at this. I mean, today only it has been broken, and how almost 2.7% down on the mid cap index. The lowest closing that we had seen at this level was on 25th of September 25. And after that, we did see a big red candle again. And then from that, we started a recovery. But this level has also been taken out today. That is for Nifty mid cap. Talking about Nifty small cap, if I were to understand weekly candle again, it never completed its cup and handle pattern. And here only it started going down. But its previous swing low was being challenged once, twice, thrice. And today it has totally given up the swing low support. So all in all, pretty much, I mean, the pace at which things have gone down, it is crazy. I hope everyone is absolutely clear. We would want to note down these levels. Nifty 25,100, it's 25,160 something, but let's round it off to 25,100. That's a Nifty 200 dema. Extremely important support. Psychological support at immediately next 25,000. Now, why is this panic happening? I'm sure many of you might know this, but I'll just be very quick on this. Next 3 4 minutes, I'll quickly sum this up. Everyone knows what Mr. Trump is doing right now. I mean, he's just going after each and every country is what I feel. Venezuela done, now Greenland, and he is now going against the NATO alliance themselves. So he has currently threatened tariffs on 8 European countries, and he said that we would want to impose this tariff because you are not supporting our Greenland stance. And in response, some European leaders have reportedly begun to seek options where they are wanting to push back this US coercion. Some leaders of the European Union are considering potentially imposing tariffs back on USA, and that they are, I mean, it's being considered, where they said that we would look out for almost goods worth 108 billion dollars, where European Union would again impose tariff on US goods. So basically, I'll just sum this up. Donald Trump is saying, European Union, because you are not with me on the Greenland stance, I would want to impose tariffs on you. By the way, these tariffs will start from 1st of February, and that is going to levy an additional 10% tariff on European Union countries. Okay, roughly 8 European Union countries, and European Union countries are saying that, okay, if you are going to impose tariff on us, we will hit back with a counter tariff on you. So again, that's a classic level of uncertainty kicking in. uh, that is about the global scenario. Now let us come to the Indian scenario right now quickly. Q3 earnings. Unfortunately, Q3 earnings, whatever we have seen till now, none of them have given a big positive surprise. IT, okay-ish, not bad kind of thing, but those one-time impact of new labor laws, that is also causing the profitability to dampen. I hope you are checking out my shorts, my reels, wherein I'm trying my level best to give you quick updates on quarterly results. Please check my Instagram and also my YouTube shorts, where I'm giving you quick updates on Q3 earnings as well, right? So all in all, Q3 earnings also are not showing a fantastic recovery. Uh, if I were to understand about one more important point, which is about FII selling, they are not in a mood to stop the selling. I'll quickly share my screen and I'll show you what is the overall scenario for FIIs. And let me just quickly share. Now, if you have a look at this, look at the selling numbers. I mean, till date, month till date, it's almost 30,000. I'm sure today the number is going to be way crazier. I'm sure it will go beyond 5,000 crores, is what I perceive right now. 29,315 till now. And look at this, December also has been crazy. You can see a December 34,000, 17,000. It seemed like there was a pause here, but it was a very minor pause. FIs are in no mood to stop selling. You can see a 29,315, crazily selling it right now. Okay, I see something. Of course, there's last 1 minute to close off, and you can see when I was sharing you about my views on Nifty, that's where we were, and you can see very nicely it tried to touch that 200 dema, and it has bounced back from here. I think that's where we have closed. We have honored the 200 dema. Feels good. Now, of course, the adjusted closing, we'll have to see where does the adjusted closing come up. But the point that I was telling you, 200 dema, 25,100 level, extremely important. That at least for the day has been honored, right? So let's see what the FII number comes up today. Any other point? It's about now the shift to safe havens. I mean, a lot of people are wanting to, shift their portfolio from stocks to safer havens, considering the overall volatility. But honestly, I mean, if you ask me, my view, I mean, silver at 3,20,000, 3,25,000, it's very hard for me, at least for me, to bring in a bulk investment at this time in silver. Even if I'm talking about gold at almost 1,50,000, I mean, if you're doing like something like a monthly SIP, smaller amounts, I can still understand continuing that. But selling the stock portfolio and investing in gold and silver right now, I don't think it really makes sense, right? So currently, I just think I thought of just quickly sharing my views right now on multiple points. Why are we falling? Number one, we talked about geopolitical reasons. Just in case if anyone has joined in late, a quick summary. Why did market fall today? Number one, we talked about the trade tensions. The fresh topic is of Greenland. President Donald Trump has said to European Union that because you have not supported my stance on Greenland, I'm going to impose additional 10% tariff. That tariff will start from 1st of February. Have European Union nations retaliated? Yes. I mean, they're thinking of retaliating, and they said that we would also impose retaliatory tariffs on US. Number two, we said that it's not only about geopolitics. Unfortunately, our Q3 numbers are also not that great. It's a mixed bag. No big positive surprises. In fact, the one time labor code hit has also taken the profitability of few companies at a lower level. Let's see how auto numbers come up. Auto number, at least the monthly numbers that have come up, they were decent enough. So whenever auto companies start declaring their results, maybe we can see some better results. That's what we are hoping. Third point we discussed about was FI, relentless selling going on from FIs. They are not just in a mood to stop. Almost, as I mentioned, 30,000 crores worth of selling already done till date. And today's number, I mean, I just feel that maybe it can go beyond even 4,000, 5,000 crores. And ultimately, we did talk about some key levels. So just before we close off, I'll quickly share the key level for Nifty, just in case if you joined in late. If you see here, I've just zoomed in like super extra. When we were doing the live stream, this is where we were roughly 25 to 30, maybe around this level, 200-ish level. But this is the 200 dema line at 25,160-ish. And today, if you can see, I'm just zooming this further. Beautifully, a support has been taken from here, and it has at least managed to sustain above this level. So question, what if 200 dema is broken? If 200 dema is broken, 25,000 will be the psychological support. If that too gets broken, the immediate previous swing low stands at 24,600. Hopefully we don't get down to those levels, but I hope you have quickly understood, you have gotten an overview of what's going to happen. Next big triggers is just one big trigger that can shear the market right now, which is the budget. But I'm sure whatever announcements are going to be made in the budget, majority of them might have already been frozen out. Just looking at the current geopolitical scenario, I don't think some last minute amendments will. I mean, it's pretty hard that last minute amendments will take place. Hopefully, there are some good announcements in the budget, and if that does happen, maybe at least because of the domestic triggers, we may be able to see some ray of hope. But overall, right now, it's a mess. It's, I mean, all because of Mr. Donald Trump that we are seeing such a situation right now. But that's what it is, right? Again, I also repeated my stance on gold and silver. Anyone who is making monthly SIPs in gold ETFs, silver ETFs, does make sense continuing, because if the uncertainty continues, putting smaller chunks in gold, silver every month, still, I don't feel that's going to be a big problem. But investing lump sum at this point, I don't feel it makes sense. At least it doesn't make sense for me. Everyone has their own views, but that's what my stance is. So I know it was a quick live stream. Thank you, almost 2,000 people watching live right now. So a big thank you to everyone for joining in on this final short notice. I mean, just did a live stream without any prior intimation, but I hope everything is clear. Santosh Kumar is asking, can we continue to do SIPs now or increase the SIP amount? I don't think it's a very good time to increase the SIP amounts right now, because the uncertainty is still increasing. We don't have any clear view right now. So continuing SIPs makes sense. Increasing SIPs, I don't think it's a big I mean, a very good idea right now. Okay, but do continue the SIPs. At least I am continuing. Okay. So that is it. Definitely, as I mentioned, keep on checking my Instagram reels. Please keep on checking my YouTube shorts. I am posting short reels, short form videos wherein I'm updating on Q3 results, any key news, so that you will get to know what's happening right now, because so many things are happening. It's very difficult for me to make full videos on all these geopolitical things. So quick updates I'm giving. We will also release a video. We'll try to release one video today, end of day, or maybe by tomorrow on one more IPO which is coming up. So stay tuned. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please smash the like button on this live stream. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye bye.